From street stalls to home kitchens, momos are everyone's favorite. Let's make it today in the new Philips OneChef. Add 4 cups of water to the cooking pot and place the steaming basket over the pot. Cover with a special glass lid and allow steam to build for about 5 minutes. Press the power button, select steam mode followed by the Idli Momo preset. For the dough, in a bowl add refined flour, powdered sugar, salt, vinegar and water. Knead into a semi-soft dough. Apply little oil and knead again. Cover with a damp cloth and set aside. For the veg filling, in a bowl add paneer, sweet corn kernels, coriander stems, chopped garlic, ginger, coriander leaves, chili flakes, black pepper powder, salt and give it a good mix. Divide the momo dough into small lemon-sized balls and roll them out into thin puris. Add the veg or the chicken filling in the center, pleat the edges carefully and seal tightly to shape the momo. Now arrange the momos carefully in the steaming basket. Take care not to overcrowd. Cover with a glass lid again and press start. We'll steam this for about 12 minutes until the momos are thoroughly cooked. Once done, transfer to a serving dish and serve hot with Szechuan sauce. Your favorite snacks made easy with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.